Okay, this is my world's strangest animal presentation, and I've chosen the Aye Aye of Madagascar to present on. So, my next question is, where in the world is Madagascar? Do you know which continent it's on? If you guessed the African continent, then you would be correct. Madagascar is at the southeastern edge of the mainland, just off the coast of Africa. And it's a wonderfully unique land of animals, including the foss, the tenrec, the flying fox, the spear-nosed snake, and the chameleon, among others. So what is an aye aye? Well, it's a lemur, which is similar to a monkey. Of the many species of lemurs in Madagascar, there's a mouse lemur, the ring-tailed, the sifaka, the envy, and the red fuft. But the aye aye is an ancient ancestor of these lemurs, and it's not the most handsome of them. So, what makes it special? It's marsupial, just like koala, Tasmanian devil, an opossum, kangaroo, and Angelina Jolie. But the way it gets its food is what really makes things interesting, and it eats things like that, the grubs. And the way that it gets them is with that little middle finger. It'll climb up a tree and sniff around, then tap with its eerie middle finger to find a hollow area. Once it does, it uses its very sharp teeth to bite through the trunk of the tree to make a hole so that it can reach its middle finger down into the hole and scrape that grub right out of there. And that's quite a delicious meal for an aye aye. You may want to try it someday. So, in the dark of night, on a quiet evening, if you hear scratching, you just might have an aye aye.